Today I'm going to be making a green smoothie. In it I'm going to be putting avocado, cucumber, kiwi and baby spinach. Okay, first we're going to put the kiwi in. Next the avocado. Then the cucumber. And finally the spinach. To bring it all together, we're going to add fat-free natural yogurt from Aldi. So now I'm going to put the lid on. Then lock it in. Then I'll blend it. Now we're going to pour it into my drinking jar. Well, it's not sweet, it's a tropical one, but I still like it because it doesn't really have to be too sweet. But also it's very healthy.